The concept of the primordial order refers to an ancient, fundamental structure or system believed to have governed the early universe or early civilizations. This order is often seen as the foundational groundwork from which chaos or entropy emerged, giving rise to current complex structures, societies, and natural laws. In relation to the main topic, unearthed secrets, what remains of the primordial order, its significance lies in the quest to understand our origins and the underlying forces that have shaped the universe and life as we know it. By delving into the implications of a primordial order, we can gain insights into the uniformity and diversity of natural laws, societal structures, and perhaps even the evolution of consciousness itself. Two examples help elucidate this point. First, the concept of a primordial soup in scientific hypotheses suggests an early Earth environment where simple molecular structures form the building blocks of life. This idea underpins many theories about the origins of life, suggesting that a primordial order in chemical interactions set the stage for biological complexity. Second, mythology across various cultures speaks of a golden age, a time of harmony and balance, echoing the notion of an initial order disrupted by subsequent conflicts or moral decay. These mythologies provide insight into cultural understandings of order and chaos, and inform philosophical and ethical frameworks that persist today. Scholars and thinkers have long been drawn to the idea of a primordial order as it supports theories about natural laws being inherently understandable and that the universe operates according to precise, discoverable principles. However, this idea is not without its challenges and controversies. Critics argue that the notion of a primordial order might be overly simplistic, neglecting the inherent randomness and unpredictability of nature. Furthermore, the search for an original order might overlook the possibility that chaos and order are mutual and inseparable, challenging linear narratives of progress. Understanding the primordial order connects to other aspects of our topic by influencing debates about cosmology and the initial conditions of the universe. It raises questions about determinism versus free will, whether our current world is an inevitable result of an ancient blueprint or the outcome of a series of random events. Thus, the exploration of a primordial order invites an interdisciplinary dialogue, drawing from science, philosophy, and cultural studies, encouraging us to reassess our place within a vast, ancient cosmos and our ongoing relationship with early, shaping forces. The heading, The Historical Context and Evolution of the Primordial Order, invites us to delve into a fascinating exploration of a hypothetical, ancient system that might once have governed a world far different from ours. The primordial order, as it pertains to this discussion, is a conceptual framework representing the original or earliest known societal, cosmic, or philosophical organization. It signifies a time when chaos began to settle into structured existence, an era where the rudiments of law, nature, and human society were first defined. Understanding the evolution of this primordial order is crucial as it sheds light on the fundamental principles that might have shaped ancient civilizations or mythical narratives surrounding creation and order. This exploration can reveal insights about how primal societies imposed structure on their environment, forming the basis for culture, governance, and belief systems that influenced future developments. For example, consider the mythological setting of ancient Greek cosmogony, where the void, chaos, gradually formed Gaia, Earth, leading to the manifestation of order through known deities and natural phenomena. Such tales reveal the inherent human desire to find logic and structure in the universe. Another illustration is the transition from hunter-gatherer communities to settled agricultural societies, symbolizing a shift from dependence on the capriciousness of nature to a more orderly, controllable environment. In discussing the primordial order, scholars often express reverence for how these early systems inform modern philosophies and governance. The ancient Egyptian concept of Ma'at, representing truth, balance, and cosmic order, is frequently cited as an enduring principle that has influenced contemporary justice systems. However, the notion of a primordial societal order is not without its controversies. Some argue that these interpretations are speculative and romanticized, lacking empirical evidence and often seen through a lens of cultural relativity. Others posit that seeking a singular origin of order overlooks the diverse evolutionary paths different civilizations have taken. This debate touches upon broader issues in archaeology and anthropology regarding cultural bias and the underrepresentation of marginalized histories. The concept of the primordial order serves as a foundational pillar for the main topic of unearthed secrets. influencing everything from our understanding of ancient rituals to modern scientific inquiry. By probing this framework, we gain a deeper appreciation for how remnants of these early systems resonate through time, offering cues and questions that embolden our quest to comprehend the depths of human and cosmic history. Core principles and ideologies refer to the fundamental beliefs and guiding ideas that form the basis for understanding the primordial order, the original state of the universe or society, as believed by ancient civilizations or mythologies. These principles are essential as they offer insights into how early cultures interpreted the cosmos, life, and human existence. They underpin the beliefs and practices that shaped societal structures and spiritual perspectives in ancient times, thus providing a lens to decipher the unearthed secrets of the past. The significance of core principles and ideologies lies in their ability to illuminate the thought processes and existential understandings of primordial civilizations. By decoding these foundational ideas, we can better appreciate the continuity and transformation in human reasoning and societal organization over millennia. For instance, the ancient Egyptian concept of Mayat, which embodied truth, balance, order, and justice, was not just a religious dogma, but a societal framework impacting governance, personal behavior, and cosmic balance. Similarly, the Taoist ideology from ancient China emphasized harmony with the Tao, or the natural way, guiding individual actions and societal laws to reflect the balance observed in nature. In modern times, we see the echoes of these ideologies in contemporary practices and philosophies. The principle of Mayat resonates with current legal and ethical systems that value justice and order as essential societal pillars. Taoist principles influence modern environmentalism, promoting a harmonious relationship between humanity and the natural world. However, interpreting ancient ideologies also brings challenges and controversies. One major issue is the complexity of accurately understanding beliefs from cultures vastly different from contemporary society. There is also the contentious matter of whose interpretation becomes the dominant narrative, as cultural hegemonies might skew understandings to fit modern ideologies. Furthermore, alternative viewpoints challenge the idea that there was ever a singular, cohesive primordial order. Some scholars argue that rather than a monolithic set of core principles, there existed a plurality of beliefs and practices that varied significantly across different cultures and even within civilizations. These core principles and ideologies are deeply interconnected with other aspects of the primordial order. They influence our understanding of historical hierarchies, ethical constructs, and the development of cultural myths. By examining these ideologies, we construct a more comprehensive narrative of the human experience, learning how past wisdoms continue to shape our values and systems today. Through this exploration, we not only uncover what remains of the primordial order, but also gain insight into the enduring legacy of ancient wisdom in shaping contemporary thought. Significant discoveries and unearthed secrets related to the primordial order refer to the groundbreaking findings and hidden truths that have been uncovered about the early formation and development of the universe and Earth. This concept is deeply intertwined with the study of ancient geological formations, archaeological sites, and cosmic phenomena that provide insights into the fundamental processes that shaped the natural world as we know it today. These revelations hold immense importance as they unravel the mysteries of our planet's and universe's origins, allowing us to better understand the evolutionary processes and the interconnectedness of all living and non-living systems. One notable example is the unearthing of fossilized remains that shed light on prehistoric life. The discovery of the Burgess Shale in Canada unveiled an astonishing array of well-preserved fossils from the Cambrian period, offering invaluable insight into early life forms and the evolutionary pathways that led to today's biodiversity. Similarly, the unearthing of the Chicxulub crater in the Yucatan Peninsula provided evidence of the asteroid impact that led to the mass extinction of the dinosaurs, a pivotal moment that paved the way for mammalian dominance and, eventually, human evolution. These discoveries are significant not only because they fill gaps in our knowledge, but also because they ignite scientific curiosity and drive technological and methodological advancements in fields like paleontology, geology, and astronomy. They promote a greater appreciation of Earth's history and highlight the planet's enduring resilience and changes over billions of years. Support for this idea comes from experts who argue that such findings are crucial for framing current global environmental challenges within a broader temporal context, helping to inform sustainable practices. However, the process of uncovering these secrets is not without challenges and controversies. Debates often arise over the interpretation of data and the ethics of excavation, especially in historically or culturally sensitive areas. There is also alternative viewpoints questioning the implications of such discoveries on established scientific theories. The exploration of significant discoveries and unearthed secrets is deeply connected to other aspects of the primordial order by providing empirical evidence that helps refine theoretical models of Earth's development and by challenging preconceived notions regarding life's complexity and adaptability. These revelations stir curiosity and foster an ongoing dialogue between science and society, emphasizing the importance of preserving the planet's history for future generations.